Hello guys, how are you? It's me Abdi Core FX Mentor. This is chapter 4 storyline and MTF lesson 6. This lesson we are learning about multi-time frame, and yeah, a lot of information that I'm gonna discover here. So first thing first is we wanna understand the price and time, or time and price. You know that price is always the important, and we know a lot about the price, like the candle, how it opens, how it really closes, how it breaks, how it continues. So that's the price. Also we know the timing. That's very important when we are talking about multi-time frames. We must know about the timing, strategy timing, time to trade, time price movies, time for news, everything. And when we know exactly the time, then we know where to trade, where to enter, and so on. So it's also very important to know that exactly how the price moves. Whenever price wants to go up, whenever price wants to go down, that's about the price. And also timing is when to enter. I have made an example of timing in our engulfed strategy, if you guys remember, in confirmations of the engulfed, the golden confirmation store, when it comes the entry models. I have explained the timing, so you can understand that price and time, they always relate with one another. On the other hand, I'm in the MTF, the most important part, first thing first, is breakouts. So you have to understand what the breakout is. There is only two breakouts. Only two breakouts. One is really a breakout by a body, when you see a level and price breaks by the body. That's exactly a breakout. The other one is a breakout by a week, when a level is broken, when a high or a low is broken by a week. There's only two breakouts in the price. There's no another breakout. I have seen and heard several times that some guys say there is a fake breakout. No, there is no fake breakout. There is only two breakout: body breakout and also weak or shadow breakout. If this is not the true, or if they really have maybe if they have something that clarifies that there is a fake breakout, please let me know. You can tell me that there is a fake breakout. It's not a fake breakout. Shadow breakout and body breakout. The shadow breakout cannot be a fake breakout. It's a breakout. All right. So if anyone wants to argue about that, so he or she may explain to me what and how the fake breakout starts, because there is no fake breakout at all. I mean, breakout is a breakout. You have to understand that. And my point that I'm gonna telling you is time and price is very important. Please learn how the timing and the price, they relate with one another, because in the time there is a time, and in a something there is also something else inside. And the most important thing is timing for your trades, timing for your strategy, because time is always golden. Time is golden. So I wanna tell you I wanna tell you time frames that I use the most every day or daily. When it comes high time frame, I focus on the daily. I focus on weekly. I focus on H4, because I don't like monthly, because it's not giving me a high precision, and it's not really so good when it comes to, for a storyline. So weekly storyline, daily storyline, or H4 storyline, one of these high time frame giving me a storyline, then I aim my trades from there. And the lower time frames that I use the most is like uh, the H4, M30, M15, M5. These time frames are all the times that I always use. So now I wanna show you some examples of the breakouts and how the breakouts happen. Okay, let us go on daily. Okay, breakouts always happen at the engulfing, guys. You have to understand, when we have engulfing, we always want a breakout, okay? And also when we are confirming storyline, we also have a breakout. So, like here, everywhere there is breakout. Every level there is breakout. Here there is breakout. Here there is breakout. Here there is breakout. There is also another breakout. Although they seem different, but you have to understand this information that I'm giving you. When it comes a time, when you see a time, there is another time. When you see something, there is another thing inside. So when we see engulfing, for example, there is another engulfing that's inside. For example, let me show you. Before I go aiming to show you before I show you the breakout, look here. We have engulfing, right? Let me say EG cell. There is engulfing, right? So there is if there is something else inside. So if we switch to lower time frame, we will see another engulfing, okay? Another engulfing there. There is another engulfing inside, okay? There's another engulfing inside, which you can see over here. So everything you see, there is something inside. Like we have explained it in the storyline. Within a story, there is another story. Within something, there is another something inside. So everything we have, there is something inside. So in the engulfing, there is an engulfing inside. So find another engulfing in H4 and H1 using the daily engulfing level. You switch to H4, H1. That is how the refinement was. So why I'm telling you this information? Because we have to understand that we need still to reduce our losses. So now let me show you the breakouts. Breakouts can only be body or weak. Okay, body or a weak. Let me show you. We have more breakouts here, so I want to show you. One of the breakout, this candle got a breakout, right? How it was broken? Let me change the color. How it was broken? It was broken by a body. Here you can see, guys, it was broken by a body here. This candle broke this low by a body, okay? That's not a breakout of a wick. So that's a clear breakout. So when it comes this candle, if I show you another example of body or wick breakout, you guys see that this candle it was broken by a wick, okay? Because this low was broken by a wick. But this one, it was broken by a body. This is a body breakout and this is a wick breakout. This is not a fake breakout, it's a breakout. Breakout is a breakout, not a fake breakout. Okay. When you see breakout, it's like this. So you must always find the breakout. So finally, I want to tell you, if you are a swing trader, when it comes to the timing, only utilize higher time frame by determining or identifying or making out your entry zone at higher time frame, and when you enter, forget it until it hits your TB or reaches the next level or where your target may be. But remember, you need to know where to exit always. Next level. Where is your next level? That's very important, guys. And bear in mind, if you don't know where to exit, it will be so bad, because As you know your entry strategy, you must also have your exit strategy. What about if you are a scalper or an intraday? You must always employ the lower time frame, but be sure to stick to the higher time frame direction, because the storyline on higher time frame is the one that leads the overall direction or the bigger picture of the market. I hope that this video covers a lot of information. Let us watch the next video.